Ron's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today we've got something fancy. Oh boy! Look at this. Boom! First, this is from Little Q, I believe. This is First Love beef noodles, and made in Taiwan for the Hong Kong market. So let's crack into this. Get a block of Taiwanese dry noodles and, wait for it, the soup. It's a lot of freaking soup. And I think that's, you don't add any water, do you? No. No. Okay. So you cook the noodles for 4 to 6 minutes. You heat the pouch for 3 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it for 5 minutes, and after 2 minutes, I'm gonna add in the pouch, and then that'll get 3. They'll both be done at the same time, and it will be just absolutely wonderful. And we're boiling, so here come the noodles. I'm a really big fan of Taiwanese food, let me tell you. Yes. There's that. 5 minutes. So I gotta keep my eye on that clock. Yeah. So what did we do? We went, got the oil changed, and went. Did that, and then we went to the Indonesian grocery, Warung Jajanan, in Edmonds on Highway 99. Go there. Nice people, amazing products, good food. Got some sambal with shallot in it. Man, it'll tear the paint off your sinuses, that's for sure, but it's really good. I really dig it. Got some level 30 bon chabe, spicy seasoning. And then we went to 99 Ranch. Got me some mung bean sprouts. Oh yeah, and this guy yelled at my daughter. Yeah, so here's how that went. So she's very inquisitive. She's like, she saw the, we got 50 seconds until I gotta put this in. She's like, what is that? I'm like, those are king oyster mushrooms. What's that? Those are wood ear mushrooms. What's this? She was kind of poking at this package. I'm like, well, that's, and this guy comes over and he said, you tell your daughter to stop. He was an older Asian fella, and not that it matters with their nationality, but it is 99 Ranch. But he was very unhappy about it. He was like, she's contaminating. I'm like, oh, is she? You know, it's like, don't. Well, my sister, my daughter is like asking me, you know, innocent questions about what is this, what is that. Okay, now we can put it. Don't go and tell me that my daughter is a contaminant. Jeez, she wasn't poking holes through it, dude. But I digress. Yeah, that was kind of crummy. I've never had that happen at 99 Ranch, but. And believe me, the whole time we were in the store before that point, I was saying, no, leave that alone, don't touch that, leave it alone. But yelling at a 4-year-old little girl, shame on you, sir. Not nice. Hopefully he had a better day after that. Anyways, what else? We did that. And then we had to go to Fred Meyer to get, Miles needed new shoes, she needed new shoes, she needed more pants, so me and Mimi hung out in the car, and it took them like an hour and 45 minutes. I just sat there and played Pokemon. She's just like, are they coming back yet? I'm like, they'll be back. Are they coming back? Yeah, they'll be back. So, yeah, and then they came back. It's like, well, we got to go to the grocery store and go grocery shopping. I'm like, no! But we went to the place by here and only got a few things, so it's like, that wasn't too bad. But, yeah. Busy weekend. Both days I did the big loop I went out walking and did the big loop. That was good. Big loop is strenuous because at the beginning of it there's a really steep hill. And then there's a bunch of downhill too, which works the back of your legs. So that was fun. I enjoyed that with thoroughness. Come on, boil. Come on, Noodles. Oh yeah, these are working. Working the magic. Instead of, yeah, I think I'm gonna give these an extra minute. Putting that bag in there kind of tired them out. Tired out the water. Boo, 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 boo. And then I went out, oh yeah, then I went out last night thinking like, because we got a list of supplies, we got to get Miles for school. We don't have one yet for Mimi, which really sucks, but hopefully we don't need one, but I'm guessing we will. But, so I go over to the Rite Aids down there, and they were pretty cleaned out, but one of the things he needed was markers. A set of crappy, like, bottom shelf, non-name brand markers. 15 bucks. I was like, really? In the back to school area, you're charging 15 bucks for like dollar days markers? That's horrible. It was like they were like, well, you know, people are gonna need these things. My wife used to work at Rite Aid, and she was like, what they probably did, they weren't sure that there was gonna be school, that COVID might still be going, so they didn't order so much of it. And she's like, that's typical Rite Aid. So it's like, okay. And I mean, honestly, with all that, I will not be surprised if we get maybe 1 to 2 months of the school year and then it goes back to remote. Really, I'm not at all hopeful. We already have a teacher shortage going on, so we'll see. That will absolutely crush my sweet little daughter, but and me too. God, I can't take it. I love my children, but good God, give me a break. The idea of having 3 hours a day where I don't have to be screamed at or demanded upon, that would be amazing. I get so much done. And you guys will get top 10 list videos that actually have me in them. So pray, pray, pray. Get vaccinated. Do all the good stuff. Actually, I think I'm going to use that. Then we need to put the zoop in here. And it's hot. Oosh. Ooh, ooh. Very hot. It smells good. But I don't want to make a mess. One thing you should know is on things like this is a thin-walled thing. So it was hot, but now it doesn't have the surface or thickness to hold in that heat. Something to know. So like tin foil, it'll be hot for a little while, but look at that. That is where the beef is. Remember, someone once said, where's the beef? Well, here it is, and there's a good amount of it. Dry noodle. Mmm. Let's give this beef a try. This looks pretty good. Oh my God. That's an understatement. Wow. I like that. That's a tricky one because this wouldn't go on the Taiwanese top 10. Why? Because it's for the Hong Kong market. Would it go on the Hong Kong top 10? That'd be a tough call because it's made in Taiwan. That's the problem with export products. I like, when I do my top 10s, I like them to be from the country of origin. You know what I mean? Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's do this sucker up. I'm stoked. Let's have a little fun with Holy Slicer first off. Step down transformer. You're not closed. You're not closed. You were making up funny. How about now? That sounds a little better. Start off with our scallions. Then, at 99 Ranch, I got more of these little peppers. Alright, wow. Those little peppers get chopping in there, boy, it goes right up my nose. I definitely want this beef to get showed off. It went right on the beef. Definitely don't want people to say, wait, where's the beef? Where is it? Oh, it's just hiding. There we go. Can't help myself, it's no good. Alright. God, my eyes hurt now. And she was so kind to make eggs last night. Thank you to my wonderful wife. Where'd it go? That broth. Mmm. Succulent. That's a winner. It needs to go somewhere. 'Cause that is worthy stuff. Little Q, big on wonderful. And we're gonna do a little bit of sesame seed. I think we're good. Wow. Feeling kind of spoiled. It's funny too, because this is First Love beef noodle, and it's not spicy. But True Love beef noodle is, and that I'll be doing. I might do that one this week too. Is that the right way? No, of course not. Potato time. Cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, this is dope. It's super good. The next one we're gonna do. This one came from Sugoimart. Go to Sugoimart. I keep wanting to call it Sugoimart, like sugar, but I don't think that's how it's pronounced. I think it's Sugoimart. Anyways, if you go there, you can find all sorts of cool stuff like this. This is Ichiran ramen in a bowl, instant ramen, and fancy, high-end, 20 bucks a bowl. Yeah, luckily they sent me some for free, so thank you very much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Enjoy your noodles.